In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up a subscription trial period in Stripe. Start by making sure you are already logged into your Stripe dashboard. Before you create anything, confirm that you are in the correct Stripe account and that you are using the right mode, either test mode or live mode. This is important because subscriptions created in test mode will not affect real customers, while subscriptions created in live mode will. Once you are in the right account, go to the left-hand sidebar and click Customers. This will open your customer list. From there, find the customer you want to create the subscription for and open that customer profile. Inside the customer profile, look for the Subscriptions section. In that section, click the plus button to start creating a new subscription for that customer. Next, click Add Item. You will then choose the product and the recurring price that you want to use for the subscription. Make sure you select the correct recurring price, since this will determine how and when the customer is billed after the trial period ends. After selecting the subscription item, scroll down until you reach the Subscription Options section. In this area, find the trial period option and turn it on. Stripe will then let you choose how to set the trial period. You can enter a specific number of trial days if you want the trial to last for a certain length of time. You can also choose an exact trial end date if you want the trial to end on a specific day. Select the option that fits your setup. Once the trial period is configured, review the full subscription details carefully. Confirm that the correct customer is selected. Check that the product and recurring price are correct. Then verify that the trial period settings match what you intended, whether that is a set number of days or a fixed end date. When everything looks correct, click Create Subscription. Stripe will create the subscription and apply the trial settings you selected. After the subscription is created, take a moment to verify the result. Check the subscription status in the customer profile and make sure it shows that the customer is currently in the trial period. This helps confirm that the setup was completed properly. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.